What if we told you one burger is never enough? Today we're going all out on burgers, cheesy, herby, crispy and loaded with flavor. So grab your buns, heat up that pan and let's get started. Let's begin with the showstopper, the cheese fondue burger. First take all the ingredients for the chicken patty in a bowl, season generously with salt and pepper, mix well and let it rest for about 10 minutes. While the patty rests, let's make the star of this burger, the cheese fondue. Heat butter in a pan, add flour and cook it for 2 minutes to form a smooth roux. Now slowly add milk in batches, whisking continuously so there are no lumps. Cook till it turns creamy and smooth. Take it off the heat and immediately add the cheese. Mix till it melts into a silky, glossy sauce. Now shape the patty into a large circle and cut the center out using a cookie cutter. Now do the same with the burger bun, slice it in half and make a hole in the crown. Now pan fry the buns in butter till golden and crisp. In the same pan, cook the prepared chicken patty 3 minutes on each side until juicy and cooked through. Now time to assemble. Start with the bottom bun, add fresh lettuce and place 2 pieces of the cooked chicken patty on top. Cover it with the crown bun and now comes the magic. Pour the hot cheese sauce directly into the center hole. Now top it off with crispy french fries, a sprinkle of chili flakes and fresh coriander. Next up, something fresh, aromatic and super juicy, the Pesto Chicken Burger. For the pesto, add coriander, garlic, green chilies, parmesan cheese, cashew nuts, salt and pepper into a mixer jar. Now blend it with olive oil till you get a chunky, vibrant paste. The pesto is packed with flavor. Now in a bowl, take minced chicken, add chili flakes, salt and pepper, mix well and shape it into a patty. Now heat oil in a pan and sear the patty on medium heat. 2 minutes on each side till golden and juicy. Now slice the burger bun through the center and toast it lightly. To assemble, spread a generous layer of pesto on the bun. Place the hot chicken patty on top, followed by a cheese slice. Finish with tomato slices and crisp lettuce. Now place the top bun, press gently and served with french fries. Now for the veg lovers, a mushroom burger that's juicy, hearty and full of umami. Finally chop button mushrooms and cook them until all the water evaporates. Now keep the mushroom water aside. In a bowl, add mashed potatoes, onions, coriander leaves, garlic, coriander powder, garam masala, cheese and green chilies. Now mix everything well. Once the mushrooms are completely dry, add them to the mixture. Now add plant flour and mix again till it holds together. Shape the mixture into mushroom patties. Heat oil in a pan and cook the patties till golden and crisp on both sides. Now for the mushroom sauce, heat the reserved mushroom water in a karahi and add plain flour, bring it to a boil and your flavor-packed mushroom sauce is ready. Now to assemble, slice the bun in half, apply mayonnaise on the bottom bun, then layer spinach leaves, tomato slices and cucumber. Place the mushroom patty on top and spoon over the mushroom sauce. Now apply mustard sauce on the top bun and place it gently over the patty. And just like that, your veggie mushroom burger is ready to serve. 3 burgers, 3 completely different flavors. So tell us in the comments which burger are you making first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more such delicious recipes.